हेलो फ्रेंड्स, तो कैसे हैं आप लोग। तो एज यू ऑल नो, we are solving the questions related to the first lesson of geometry, which is similarities. And in that we have taken almost 4 to 5 parts of the question solving, but now I think it's becoming more. So I will, in this part, I will conclude the lesson. I will fully finish the lesson, and we'll try to begin with a new lesson in the next part of video. So let us begin. So today we are gonna take almost just 3 questions. Video will be very small, so you will also be helped, and you'll also not be bored in order while solving the questions. So let us do. So first question is that in the given figure, bisector of angle B and angle C of triangle ABC intersect each other in point X. Line AX intersects side BC in point Y. AB equals to 5, AC equals to 4, BC equals to 6. Then find AX upon AY. So let us find. So we have a triangle ABC divided into 2 parts, ABY and ACY. So and what do we call it? An angle bisector BX and CY. Now let us see that in triangle ABC, ray BX bisects angle B. We all know that, and it is also given by the theorem of angle bisector AX. Now you notice how I am pointing it out. AX upon XY equals to AB upon BY. We are considering this one to be an triangle. We are leaving the other one. So what we write? AX upon XY equals to AB upon BY. So now let us move forward. In triangle ACY, means this one, ray CX bisects angle C. We all know that by the property of angle bisector. Here also we are going to use the property of angle bisector. So what we will do is we will consider this time this one. So what we will get is AX upon XY equals to AC upon CY. We have marked this as 1 and we'll mark this as 2. So let us move forward. So here we are with the solution. From 1 and 2 we get is AX upon XY equals to AB upon BY equals to AC upon CY. So what we'll write is AX upon XY equals to AB plus AC upon BY plus CY. So what we'll get is AX upon XY equals to AB plus AC upon BY plus CY is BC. So what we'll get is AX upon XY equals to 5 plus 4 upon 6. What we have done is we have just put in the values, which were that 5 was of AB, 4 was of AC and 6 was of BC. Now let us move forward. Our very next step would be to add them. So what we'll get is AX upon XY equals to 9 upon 6, which we'll simplify to get 3 upon 2. So therefore we get the answer to be 3 upon 2. Now let us move forward to our very next question, which is that in the given figure, this figure, A dash C dash C, which means that points A, D and C are collinear, means they are in a straight line, and B dash E dash C means these all three are also collinear in a straight line. Segment DE is parallel to AB. AD equals to 5, DC equals to 3, BC equals to 6.4. See, here we are given the value of BC and not BE and EC. So we'll consider BE to be X, and therefore EC will automatically equal to 6.4 minus X. Now let us see. So what we see is that we have been given the solution. We have been given the solution that in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to AB. This one is given by basic proportionality theorem. BE upon EC equals to AD upon DC. So now we'll put in the value. X upon 6.4 minus X equals to 5 upon 3. What we need is the value of X. So what we'll do, we'll cross multiply. 3 into X is 3X. And 5 into 6.4 minus X is 5 into 6.4 is 32, and 5 into minus X is minus 5X. So what we'll get is 3X equals to 32 minus 5X. We'll take the common variables in one side. So this 5X will come to this side and it will become 3X plus 5X equals to 32. So 3X plus 5X is nothing but 8X. And 8X equals to 32, as 32 will come down, and now this 8 will go down on means it will move from the left hand side to right hand side, which is it will move from LHS to RHS, therefore it will come in the denominator, and hence it will start dividing it. So what we'll get is x equals to 32 upon 8, which is nothing but x equals to 4 units. Now how 4 units? 8 ones are 8 and 8 fours are 32. Therefore, and since we are not given any value of this, so we'll write it to be units. Now BE equals to x equals to 4 units, but now we also want to find the value of EC. So we have seen that EC equals to 6.4 minus x is 4, so what we'll get is EC equals to 6.4 minus 4, EC equals to 2.4 units, and that's which answer we needed from this whole solution. Now let us move on to our next question, and that will be our last question of this whole lesson of similarities. So now let us see. Oh guys, here we are with our last question, which is that in triangle ABC, B dash D dash C and BD equals to 7, this equals to 7, BC equals to 20, this whole equals to 20, then find following ratios. We have to find first triangle ABD upon triangle ADC. So what? Triangle ABD upon triangle ADC. Now what you'll notice is that we'll have to these both triangles have equal height, which is AD, so it will be BD upon DC, which is nothing but 7, and since BC is 20, then DC equals to BC minus BD, which is 20 minus 7, which is nothing but 13 units. So therefore area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ADC is 7 upon 13. Now second one, area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABD upon area of triangle ABC. This also have the same base, same height, which is nothing but AD. So what we'll write is BD upon BC, which is again 7 upon but 20. So therefore this equals to 7 upon 20. Now let us move on to our next question, which is that area of triangle ADC upon area of triangle ABC equals to DC upon BC. How DC upon BC? Because in ADC and in ABC they have same height AD, so therefore DC upon BC, which is nothing but 13 upon 20. Its answer is 13 upon 20. Now let us move on to the next question. You thought now I'll say so, but no, this was the finish of the lesson similarity, and here we conclude this lesson. We completely finish off this lesson. We took just 5 to 6 parts to finish off this whole lesson. Hope you understood the whole concept of this lesson. Hope you understood all the topics which I taught you in this lesson, and also the solutions which I taught you today. So do like the video, share with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon, put in your questions in the comment box so that we can help you out with them. And thanks for watching, and bye bye.